Welcome! Today, we're diving into a topic that can feel daunting for many: networking when you're shy. If the thought of introducing yourself at events or reaching out to new people makes you nervous, you're not alone. Many people, even successful professionals, struggle with shyness, but networking is a powerful tool for personal and career growth. The good news is, you don't have to be the loudest person in the room to make meaningful connections. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies tailored for introverts and shy individuals, helping you build confidence and connect authentically. Let's get started on making networking less intimidating and more rewarding. Before we jump into techniques, it's important to understand what shyness really is. Shyness is a feeling of discomfort or apprehension in social situations, often rooted in fear of judgment or rejection. It's not a flaw, but a natural personality trait. Recognizing this can help you approach networking with more self-compassion. Remember, being shy doesn't mean you lack social skills. It just means you may need a different approach. By acknowledging your feelings and accepting them, you set the stage for growth. In the next scenes, we'll look at how to leverage your strengths as a shy person to network effectively. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards or adding contacts on LinkedIn. It's about building genuine relationships that can open doors to new opportunities, ideas, and support. For shy individuals, networking can feel overwhelming, but it's especially valuable. It helps you find mentors, collaborators, and friends who understand your journey. Even small connections can lead to big changes in your career or personal life. By focusing on the quality of your interactions rather than the quantity, you can make networking work for you, no matter how shy you feel. If large networking events feel intimidating, start small. One-on-one conversations are often less stressful and allow for deeper connections. Reach out to someone you admire or share interests with and suggest a coffee chat or a virtual meeting. This approach lets you prepare in advance and focus on building rapport without the pressure of a crowd. Over time, these individual connections can expand your network organically. Remember, every big network starts with a single conversation. Preparation is key for shy networkers. Before attending any event or meeting, practice a short and simple introduction about yourself. Include your name, what you do, and a little about your interests. Having this ready can ease anxiety and help you feel more confident when meeting new people. You don't need to memorize a script, but having a mental outline ensures you won't be caught off guard. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Online platforms can be a great way for shy individuals to network. Social media, professional forums, and online communities allow you to connect at your own pace. You can take time to craft thoughtful messages and participate in discussions without the pressure of face-to-face interaction. Start by joining groups related to your field or interests, and gradually engage by commenting, sharing insights, or reaching out to members. Online networking can lead to meaningful connections and even in-person opportunities down the line. It's important to set realistic and achievable networking goals. Instead of aiming to meet everyone at an event, focus on connecting with just one or two people. This approach reduces pressure and makes the experience more manageable. Celebrate small wins, like introducing yourself or exchanging contact information. Over time, these small steps will build your confidence and expand your network. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Active listening is a powerful tool for shy networkers. Instead of worrying about what to say next, focus on truly hearing the other person. Nod, maintain eye contact, and ask follow-up questions. People appreciate being listened to, and it helps you build rapport without feeling pressured to dominate the conversation. By being a good listener, you can make a strong impression and create lasting connections. Asking open-ended questions is a great way to keep conversations flowing. Instead of questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, try asking about experiences, opinions, or stories. For example, what inspired you to get into your field? Or what do you enjoy most about your work? These questions encourage others to share more, making it easier for you to engage and connect without feeling the pressure to talk constantly. Finding common ground is key to building connections. Look for shared interests, experiences, or goals during your conversations. This could be anything from a mutual hobby to working in the same industry. When you discover something in common, it creates a natural bond and makes the conversation more comfortable. Don't be afraid to share your own interests or ask about theirs. Common ground is the foundation of lasting relationships. Networking can be challenging, especially if you're shy. It's important to be kind to yourself and recognize that it's okay to feel nervous. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging your efforts, even if things don't go perfectly. Every attempt is a step forward. Remember, everyone has awkward moments, and most people are focused on themselves, not your mistakes. Treat yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a friend. Having a few conversation starters ready can ease anxiety and help you break the ice. Think of simple, open-ended questions or comments related to the event, the weather, or shared interests. For example, how did you hear about this event? Or what do you enjoy doing outside of work? These starters make it easier to initiate conversations and keep them going, even if you feel shy. Nonverbal communication plays a big role in networking. Even if you're shy, using positive body language can help you appear approachable and confident. Smile, maintain an open posture, and make eye contact. These small gestures can make a big difference in how others perceive you and can help you feel more at ease. Remember, your body language often speaks louder than words. Large networking events can be overwhelming, especially for shy individuals. Consider attending smaller gatherings, workshops, or meetups where the atmosphere is more relaxed. These settings make it easier to have meaningful conversations and connect with others without feeling lost in the crowd. Over time, your confidence will grow, and you may feel more comfortable attending larger events. Attending events with a friend or colleague can make networking less intimidating. Having someone you know by your side provides support and can help you feel more comfortable approaching new people. You can introduce each other to new contacts and share the experience, making it more enjoyable and less stressful. Just be sure not to rely solely on your friend. Challenge yourself to step out and make your own connections too. Volunteering at events is a great way to network, especially if you're shy. As a volunteer, you'll have a specific role which gives you a reason to interact with others. It's easier to start conversations when you have a purpose, and people are more likely to approach you. Plus, volunteering shows initiative and can help you stand out in a positive way. Following up after meeting someone is a crucial step in networking. Send a brief message or email thanking them for the conversation and expressing interest in staying in touch. This simple gesture reinforces the connection and shows that you value the relationship. It's also a great way to continue the conversation and build a lasting network, even if you felt shy during the initial meeting. Joining groups or clubs based on your interests is a natural way to network. Whether it's a professional association, hobby club, or online community, these groups bring together people with shared passions. It's easier to start conversations when you already have something in common, and you'll feel more comfortable in a familiar environment. Over time, these connections can grow into valuable relationships. Like any skill, networking gets easier with practice. The more you put yourself in networking situations, the more comfortable you'll become. Start with low-pressure environments and gradually challenge yourself to try new things. Each experience builds your confidence and helps you develop your own networking style. Remember, progress may be slow at first, but every step counts. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook can be powerful networking tools. Use them to connect with professionals in your field, join discussions, and share your insights. Remember to keep your profiles updated and professional. Engaging online can help you build relationships before meeting in person, making face-to-face interactions less intimidating. Shy individuals often have unique strengths, such as being thoughtful, empathetic, and good listeners. Embrace these qualities and use them to your advantage when networking. People appreciate genuine conversations and meaningful connections. By focusing on your strengths, you can build relationships that are authentic and lasting. Not every networking attempt will lead to a connection, and that's okay. Rejection is a normal part of the process. If someone doesn't respond or isn't interested, don't take it personally. Instead, view it as a learning experience and an opportunity to improve. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to handle setbacks and keep moving forward. Group settings can be challenging for shy individuals. Prepare by researching who will be there and thinking of topics you can discuss. Arrive early to get comfortable with the environment and start conversations before the group gets too large. Remember, it's okay to take breaks if you feel overwhelmed. With preparation, group networking can become less intimidating. Name tags are more than just labels, they're conversation starters. Make sure your name tag is visible and easy to read. You can even add a fun fact or your role to spark interest. When you see someone else's name tag, use it as an opportunity to introduce yourself and ask about their background. This small detail can make networking feel more approachable. An elevator pitch is a brief summary of who you are and what you do. Practicing your pitch helps you introduce yourself confidently in any situation. Keep it short, clear, and focused on your strengths. Practice with friends or in front of a mirror until it feels natural. A well-prepared pitch can make networking much less stressful. Technology offers many tools to help shy individuals network. Use apps and platforms to schedule meetings, join webinars, or participate in online forums. These digital spaces can feel less intimidating and give you time to think before responding. Over time, online connections can lead to in-person meetings and stronger relationships. Take time to reflect on your networking experiences. What worked well? What could you improve? Keeping a journal or notes helps you track your growth and identify patterns. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Reflection is key to building confidence and refining your networking approach. Finding a mentor who excels at networking can be incredibly helpful. They can offer advice, share experiences, and even introduce you to their contacts. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance. Most people are happy to help. Learning from someone who's been in your shoes can make networking feel less daunting and more achievable. Authenticity is key to successful networking. Don't try to be someone you're not. People appreciate honesty and sincerity. Share your true interests and values, and seek connections that align with them. Authentic relationships are more fulfilling and stand the test of time. Remember, it's better to have a few genuine connections than many superficial ones. A little humor can go a long way in breaking the ice and making conversations more enjoyable. Don't force jokes, but if you find a natural opportunity to share a light moment, go for it. Humor helps people relax and can make you more memorable. Just remember to keep it appropriate for the setting and audience. Networking isn't just about what you can gain, it's also about what you can give. Look for ways to help others, whether it's sharing information, making introductions, or offering support. When you focus on helping, you take the pressure off yourself and build goodwill. People remember those who are generous and supportive. Virtual events are a great option for shy networkers. They allow you to participate from the comfort of your own space and often include chat features for easier interaction. Take advantage of webinars, online conferences, and virtual meetups to connect with others. These events can be less intimidating and still offer valuable networking opportunities. Business cards are a simple yet effective networking tool. Even in the digital age, exchanging cards can leave a lasting impression. Make sure your card is clear, professional, and includes your contact information. Handing out a card can also serve as a natural way to end a conversation and invite future contact. Knowing how to gracefully exit a conversation is an important networking skill. If you feel the discussion has run its course, thank the person for their time and express interest in staying in touch. You can say something like, "It was great talking with you. I hope we can connect again soon." This approach leaves a positive impression and allows you to move on comfortably. Mindfulness techniques can help reduce anxiety before and during networking events. Take a few deep breaths, focus on the present moment, and remind yourself that it's okay to feel nervous. Mindfulness helps you stay calm, centered, and more open to connecting with others. Over time, these practices can make networking feel less stressful. What you wear can impact how you feel at networking events. Choose clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident. When you feel good about your appearance, it's easier to focus on conversations rather than worrying about how you look. Dressing appropriately for the occasion also shows respect for others and helps you make a positive impression. It's important to set boundaries when networking. Know your limits and don't feel pressured to overextend yourself. If you need a break, step outside or find a quiet space. Setting boundaries helps you manage your energy and ensures that networking remains a positive experience. Remember, it's okay to say no or excuse yourself when needed. Every networking success, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Whether you introduced yourself, exchanged contact information, or simply attended an event, acknowledge your progress. Celebrating your wins boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep going. Remember, networking is a journey, and every step forward counts. If you're shy, asking a mutual contact for an introduction can make networking easier. People are often happy to connect you with others in their network. An introduction provides a natural starting point for conversation and helps you feel more comfortable. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Networking is about building bridges, not going it alone. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations, such as, "I am capable of making connections," or "I have valuable things to share." Positive self-talk boosts your confidence and helps you approach networking with a more optimistic mindset. Over time, this can make a big difference in your comfort level. It's easy to feel pressured to meet as many people as possible, but quality matters more than quantity. Focus on building a few meaningful relationships rather than collecting dozens of business cards. Deep connections are more valuable and rewarding in the long run. Take your time and invest in relationships that matter to you. Every networking experience, good or bad, is an opportunity to learn. Reflect on what went well and what you could do differently next time. Over time, you'll develop your own style and strategies that work best for you. Remember, growth comes from trying new things and learning from each step along the way. It's easy to compare yourself to others who seem more outgoing or confident. Remember, everyone has their own strengths and challenges. Focus on your own journey and progress. Comparing yourself only adds unnecessary pressure. Celebrate your unique approach to networking and trust that you're making valuable connections in your own way. Networking is a skill that improves with practice. The more you put yourself out there, the easier it becomes. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every attempt is a step forward. Keep practicing, stay patient, and remember that progress takes time. With persistence, you'll become more comfortable and confident in networking situations. To wrap up, remember that networking is for everyone, even if you're shy. By starting small, preparing in advance, and focusing on genuine connections, you can build a strong network at your own pace. Embrace your strengths, be kind to yourself, and celebrate every step forward. With time and practice, networking will become a valuable and rewarding part of your personal and professional life. You've got this.